don't sleep. Bill's Mafia strong, our roots run deep. Snow in our lungs, but the flames still keep. Cold in the veins, the promise we reap. We fall, we fight, we rise again. Through pain, through frost, the wind and rain. From Orchard Park to the Queen City Lane. Buffalo blood pump pride through the veins. Born where the blizzards talk back to the brave. You don't last long if you ain't made. Digging out driveways, grinding in pain. Cold front, hard, can't freeze this flame. Mafia faithful, breaking them chains. Tables crack loud like thunder and rain. 17 on the helm, deliver that game. City stand tall, no loss in the brain. Old scars from the years we bled. Still we march, never hang our head. When the world slept on stripes we shed. Built our throne in the ice instead. Loyalty thick as the lake in frost. Lose one game, still never lost. Every snap, every hit, every cause. Buffalo born, we pay that cost. Lights come up, hear the crowd ignite. Red, white, blue cut through the night. Every down's war, every yard's a fight. Mafia, how keep rivals tight. Cook in the pocket, cut that seam. Dawkins anchor, the frontline team. Defense hit like a thunder dream. Snow angels lay where the fallen scream. No sunshine, we bring our own. Built from the stone, we call that home. See that B, better watch your tone. Bill's Mafia, one blood, one throne. Tailgate smoke, paint sky divine. Cold beer burn like a holy sign. Every chant echo down the line. Buffalo rise, it's our time. Heart of the north where the ice don't sleep. Bill's Mafia strong, our roots run deep. Snow in our lungs, but the flames still keep. Cold in the veins, that promise we reap. We fall, we fight, we rise again. Through pain, through frost, the wind and rain. From Orchard Park to the Queen City Lane.